Right guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've treated myself and I've bought myself some noise cancellation headphones. I'm sick of using public transport and people getting on, the train or the bus and you can hear them on their mobile phones and you can't hear your music. Hence why I've bought myself some noise cancellation headphones. Now I've went with an Anker Soundcore Live Q20 and this is an unboxing video of these Bluetooth earphones, noise cancellation earphones. So right guys, here's the time. Let's unbox this product and see what the first impressions is of the Anker Soundcore Live Q20. Right guys, let's go. Okay, take it out of the box. Get rid of that box, and first impressions is here. Pure sound, no noise. Soundcore by Anker. Guys, I am going to look forward to testing out these headphones. Incredible sound, loved by 10 million plus people. That's a big claim to make. So not too sure if it's true, but I'm not going to disbelieve them. So right guys, let's unbox the Soundcore noise cancellation headphones. So here we go. Oops. Slide it right out of the box. As we can see, there's nothing else in there. Get rid of that box. And here we go guys. We have the Soundcore. Oh, there's something here. Put that aside. Here we have the Soundcore Q20 noise cancellation Bluetooth headphones. So let's just take this, peel off the plastic. Peel off the plastic here. Now I paid about 50 Great British pounds for this. So in America, this is going to cost about, I'm going to say 60 United States dollars or something like that. But first impressions is they feel pretty decent. Now I'm going to have to look into, these parts, the ear pads here, because on a lot of my microphones these tend to get damaged a lot, so I'm going to have to start looking into finding replacements for these ear pads. But yeah, quick first impressions is they feel pretty good. Now let's open them up and have a look at the bottom. So here we can see, are we focusing here? Is the camera focusing? Looks like we're having a little focus issue here. There we go, the camera's focused. So yeah, let's bring it closer and focus again. There we go. So yeah, we've got like a micro USB. We've got a input jack here. We have a phylum and let me focus the camera a bit more. We have a phylum, we have a play button, and then on the other side, focus again. Okay, we have got a power button, and we've got a noise cancellation button, I assume that to be. So yeah, looks pretty cool. Let's have a look at how it's built. Now guys, and I don't know, let me just make sure we're focused on this. So yeah, there we go, Soundcore Live Q20. So we've got the branding in here, we have got a serial number. Now on my M-Power old earphones, basically the screws in here came on loose, and I think that was after about 6 months. So M-Power, I was pretty gutted with regards to that. So hopefully the Soundcore Live Q20 will remain for a longer period in time than what my M-Power headphones did do. But yeah, as we can see here as well guys, we can see the screws over here, what keeps it in. So I might have to tighten them every now and again, just to make sure nothing, comes apart. And yeah, we've got the same over here. We've got the plastic on. Let's try and remove that. There we go. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. Let me just focus again so this camera's not playing up. Actually recording this boxing video, guys, on my mobile phone for the first time. And as we can see, it's not the best to focus in. But let me just try and move this box aside. Okay, so yeah, focus there. There we go, we've done it now. So in there, guys, is the screws, okay? And them screws I'll be tightening every now and again to ensure that these, like my Empire, don't come off. But yeah, guys, oh, I like that, guys. Let me just remove this. I like the way Anker has got its brand in here on the headphone itself. That looks pretty cool. From that angle, the earphones look pretty smart. So yeah, guys, that does look cool. So right, guys, you've just seen the full unboxing video of the Empire headphones. Just let's get this plastic off. And yeah, the headphones look pretty good. I'm going to do a full review of them in due course. We get here a little case. Anker, that's nice. It's nice to see you've supplied us with a case for the headphones. That'd be pretty handy. Nice little Soundcore branding on the case itself. Come out of that, we have our instruction manual. And really, so how do we design? You sound great, blah blah blah. Okay, Soundcore quick start guide. Yeah, guys, there we go. You've just seen the unboxing video of the Soundcore Q20. Right, guys, see you all in the next video.